Hey guys, this is the Acorn-Shaped LED camping lantern, and the brand sent me a free one so I can check it out. I wanted to show you some of the features. Now, the first thing about this is the different light levels. So I'm gonna cut out the lights and demonstrate those right now. You got the low setting, medium, there you go, the highest setting there. You can also change the color temperature by simply holding down the button up here. There you can see the color temperature changing. But the best part about this lantern is that you can customize it. Now what I've done here is I've got some stickers. Now these stickers are not included with the kit. I had these ones. You can see I'm using them for the eyes. Your kids can have a lot of fun decorating and customizing this. Now to charge it, you're simply gonna stick in a USB cable back over here. So this is overall just a very fun and charming LED light